Hello. Thanks for your interest in cells, an engineering and logistics intelligence toolset created for achieving your end objectives, especially when that means weapons systems readiness. My name is Michelle Platt, founder and CEO of AVNIK and principal investigator for this Phase 2 SBIR. Cells is a data-driven approach that connects layers of weapon systems, support organizations, all working on different aspects of readiness. Triton UAS PMA 262 is our sponsor, and we've embarked on their aircraft for our first use case. I'm an engineer and started my career working at a sensor OEM prime contractor. Later, I joined the Apache Aircraft Program Office, where I led the first effort to install a flight data recorder on a rotary wing platform way back when. It was the start of condition-based maintenance, a step toward putting data in the hands of warfighters. When I founded AVNIK in 2006, I leveraged my history as an engineer and logistician to help solve problems we identified in maintenance shops and depots. AVNIK evolved into an experienced military aviation maintenance and logistics team, now providing engineering services and R&D to a wide range of DoD customers, including the U.S. Army Future Vertical Lift and NAVAIR. We deliver advanced tools, including fatigue life management and augmented reality applications to our maintainers, to improve readiness and decrease logistical headaches. We are most interested in your needs and how they fit with our Triton degrader experience. For naval aviation, aircraft readiness is a must-have and requires diverse disciplines like maintenance, logistics, operations, and engineering. Regardless of where you fit in this ecosystem, every organization is expected to improve and contribute to ready aircraft. Continuous improvement needs tools such as performance metrics and degrader lists. While each group manages its own metrics and priorities, readiness only occurs when all groups align their efforts and work together. Almost all performance metrics in aircraft support are inherently linked between organizations. For example, we know removals and supply are related. To catch problems early and before they affect readiness, U.S. Navy teams need to identify which linked metrics are driving emerging trends, pointing to failure modes, and driving logistics gaps. That task can be hard enough to accomplish just on a single system, let alone the hundreds of systems requiring maintenance. AVNIK proposes cells, a layered data analytics approach to help aircraft support decision-makers recognize which linked metrics point to problems. Let's look at a use case where we show line graphs for each of these metrics. For example, suppose a new Navy deployment increases sorties flown, stressing one component of the aircraft. Higher sortie rates create increased sensor alerts. Note in row 1 where operations focuses on sorties flown and completed, while the second row focuses on sensor alerts. Now let's look at the third and fourth rows, where maintainers record an increase in removals, which affects logisticians who monitor supply chains and parts inventories. These effects combine to add this component to NAVAIR's Reliability Control Board degrader list. Eventually, operators notice readiness impact in the last two rows, the lower levels of fully mission-capable aircraft caused by an increased number of partially mission-capable aircraft. We've shown that while each support organization is independent and maintains independent metrics, each organization's performance affects the others. AVNIK designed cells to help organizations see where their metrics are aligned and how their degraders are interdependent. Cells provide situational awareness between organizations, a new capability for aircraft support teams to problem-solve together. Cells delivers benefits to any organization by helping them work together and showing them where their metrics are interdependent in situations like aircraft readiness, which depend upon contributions from multiple support teams, from operators to maintainers to logisticians and engineers. A simple example may help you visualize this interdependency. A logistician who sees an increase in supply chain parts demand may need to know whether that demand is up due to increased operations, flying hours, or again because parts reliability has decreased. The cause may influence the logistician's next step. Separately, an engineer looking at decreased reliability numbers would need to know if maintainers have been reporting trouble in fault isolation, resulting in increased components removals. Cells links performance metrics between organizations to help you diagnose root causes earlier in time and with less analytical effort than usual dashboards. When literally hundreds of aircraft systems are involved, Maintaining awareness of performance metrics within one's own organization is tough enough, let alone coordinating metrics in other organizations. CELS is currently standing up the capability to conduct analysis across layers of engineering, logistics, and other performance and degrader data in the Navy's Standard Data Repository and the Cloudera Data Science Workbench environment. We can demonstrate end-to-end capability from data ingestion and pre-processing to analytics, to visualizations, and are ready to showcase the process to other DoD and industry users beyond PMA 262. In addition to the install in the NAVAIR environment, AVNIK implemented a complete digital twin capability in our own sandbox, where we replicate the Navy end-to-end environment for the purpose of development, experimentation with new analytic techniques, and testing. The heart of CELS is a flexible analytic approach for finding linkages between disparate performance metrics. CELS delivers visibility without costly integration, enables rapid collaboration across the enterprise, and better utilizes existing degrader lists and other shared knowledge to detect and address new issues faster. AVNIK worked extensively through degrader linkage use cases with the Triton PMA. We see an opportunity to use the same layered traceability capability to link health management data to failure mode analysis, link health management and anomaly diagnostics to predictive maintenance actions, link health management and technical manual data to reliability and maintainability analytics. In all cases, CELS finds linkages between layers of supporting organizations without the complex and time-consuming explicit integration of their data. If access across layers of independent metrics and performance data is a problem for you, AVNIK is open for business and here to help. We can run a CELS proof of concept for you in the environment of your choice. So far, we have developed use cases in partnership with the Triton PMA and their data. Now we're ready to use your data, your aircraft readiness and degrader lists, and your support metrics to address untapped opportunities to increase readiness for your maintainers. AVNIK employees have worked in or alongside DoD for 30-plus years. We know what right looks like and can bring the power of data-driven insights to your engineers, logisticians, and program managers. Our principals are available to brief you on CELS and to explore how CELS could be applied to meet your needs. AVNIK has staff in Patuxent River and Huntsville, Alabama. We're members of the Patuxent Partnership and are close by to NAVAIR and Army Aviation. Give us a call to explore use cases and the latest in maintenance intelligence. Thanks for your time.